Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Frame's Runway tutorial. So first, if you want to create an account, you just have to go to Runway. And then in order for you to create an account, what you're going to do is you have to click this Get Started right here. And basically you can create a Runway account using your Google account or if you have your account in Apple and so on. But for me, the easiest way to create one is just connect or link my Google account. And this is Runway. This is the dashboard or interface of Runway. Now, as you can see here, introducing frames, their most advanced base model for image generation. But in order for you to unlock this, you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to use this feature. So if you want to upgrade your plan, just click this one, then you will see more information about the plan. As you can see, you can get unlimited image and video generations. You can get unlimited yearly. So you can click view all plans here to simply unlock the feature. I have access to this runway feature, for example, the frames feature. Now, if you want to know more about frames, as you can see, frames is available to unlimited and enterprise plan users. Here in the Help Center, you can see the ways and how to enter that specific prompt. For example, if you want this kind of style and frame, you just have to copy this prompt right here and then paste it there in frame, or you can just simply copy the detailed one. They also offer this best practices for prompting, and they have suggest to follow the second one. They can also, or you can also see some prompt keywords. For example, if you want this kind of style, so here's a sample prompt. If you want this kind of frame, and here's a sample prompt right here. And again, in order for you to generate something like this with a style and frame, you just have to copy this prompt, go back to Runway, and then paste this as easy as that. Now, once you've upgraded your plan and have access to this frame feature, then this is what it looks like. On the left side, this is where you're going to paste the prompt. And below here, you can choose the style that you want. So there are tons of styles that you can use, like what I've showed you earlier. And after that, what we're going to do next is generate, and you will see the result right away. So basically, this is how easy it is to use this frame feature here on Runway. You could also select the perfect ratio. For example, if you want to post it in YouTube or in TikTok or Instagram, you can also see a ratio option right there. But this is what it looks like, and this is how easy it is to use this frames runway feature here on Runway or Runway ML. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.